What's up, fam? I want to share a few things here, give you a little front end explanation of how we receive and integrate anxiety. And so, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be helping the intuition and the body remember how to flow, how to restore that optimal flow of energy. And so, that's going to be feeling feelings and sensing sensations. And I know many of you have heard probably, oh, I know, I just need to feel my feelings. And you've probably tried that many different times to differing levels of success or frustration. And one of the areas that we get caught in feeling is we are feeling our feelings, but at the same time, there's a subconscious resistance that is keeping the feelings and the energy of the feelings, because emotions are just energy in motion. There is a resistance that is not allowing that energy to move through. And so what that amounts to is we're feeling the feelings that are just bubbling beneath the surface that we're constantly feeling contact with. And so we can actually learn to, okay, if I'm feeling these feelings, how do I open up to receive and allow them to flow? And first thing is, if we're feeling unpleasant feelings, then most likely we're also contracted, we're also constricted and restricting the energy flow. And so that looks like clenching, that looks like holding our breath and shallow breathing. And so what we want to do is first just presence ourselves with the breath, lengthen the breath, and just notice, what am I feeling right now? And if you're feeling tightness in the chest or a pit in the stomach, then bring your awareness to that sensation or an emotion, whatever's present for you, and allow yourself to experience it. And this is going to be kind of a non-linear process, because odds are you're going to make contact with some things that are maybe unpleasant, and so we might go back into the clenching and restricting. And so we just breathe and notice, okay, I'm contracting, and just be with the contraction and allow yourself to breathe and soften. And then just breathing and coming back to our direct experience of the sensation or emotion. And it's really an unfolding, it's really a flow that we're opening ourselves up to. And so one way you can think of this is, and I've already talked about this, you're gonna hear this a lot, is like the chimney flue opening and the heat can rise. When we open our receiving channel, energy can move through us. And it's just noticing what is present, what feelings, what sensations are present, and can we make peace with them and allow ourselves to experience it. And let me tell you, when you get into the overwhelm, where you feel like this is too much, I can't take it, what happens in that situation is that we are clenching, we're resisting, and so we cut off the energy flow, but it's still boiling beneath the surface, so we can still feel it, and then we go to the mind to try to solve the problem of what we're feeling. But that takes us out of the actual flow of energy, which is where the solution resides. So the solution is not found in the mind, it's found in opening back up to our direct experience, to breathe through the receiving of that energy, receiving that sensation or emotion. And so I'm going to be sharing some meditations, some guided meditations in here, and I'll be guiding you in receiving yourself, receiving the energies that want to move. And I'll be giving commentary throughout, explaining how to stay present with what's happening and how to zoom out when we get stuck, how to open back up when we get stuck. And so that's one thing I just wanted to name on the front end, that just to give you kind of an idea of what to expect. Now, I'm also going to be doing hot seat coaching, and what that means is just live coaching of people on a volunteer basis. Anyone in this group is welcome to sign up. I'm going to be doing that on a weekly basis, and so I'll have a spreadsheet where you can sign up for the time slot if you want it, and that will be really powerful for others to witness, that receiving process in action, because you can actually open up to receive secondary coaching through that. By witnessing somebody else getting the coaching and receiving, you can also get the integration as well. So that's all I have to share right now. I'm excited that you're here, and I'm excited for all of the work that we get to do together. Thank you.